How to install a threaded bathtub spout. This is a different one because we have copper coming out. Sometimes you'll have threaded inside the wall and you can use a threaded pipe, but in this case we have copper. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to clean the copper up so I can solder a male adapter onto the end. And what that male adapter is going to do is it's going to feed itself into the thread of the threaded bathtub spout. If you're not sure how to solder, we do have videos on soldering, so feel free to take a look at that. But if you just watch how I'm doing it here, you'll see soldering's not as hard as you make it out to be, or may make it out to be. So here I'm just heating the fitting, and the best way to tell when your copper is ready to solder is you'll see a slight color change. You may not pick it up in this video, but if you're doing it for yourself, you'll see a color change in the pipe. And you don't want to overheat it, and I almost overheated this one, I'm not going to lie to you. But it was fine, we'll say that. So here I've got the threaded male adapter. I gave it some time to cool, so don't think I did this right afterwards. It's just video editing. And what I'm doing next is I'm going to seal the breach point where the copper comes through the tile. And what that's going to do is if this spout ever fails in the future, it's not going to allow the water to go back through the spout and down the wall. You'll see some people silicone around the tub spout, and that's not a great way to do it because all you're doing is trapping water inside the tub spout should the tub spout fail. So while you've got it exposed like this, make sure you seal that breach point. And next what I'm going to do is just put some Teflon tape around the thread, and that's going to help seal the thread. And if you're not sure about how to apply Teflon properly, we've got videos on that too. Also what I like to do, especially on bathtub spouts, is add a little bit of pipe sealant, is what you see here. Now you don't have to use pipe sealant, but it's just going to help ensure that that thread does stay, or it does hold. And at this point, what you're going to do is just simply thread the tub spout on, and you want to make sure you are tight and level. So after this, you should be able to install a tub spout. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.